In Monday's daily briefing, Oneida County has reported 14 new positive cases of coronavirus. The county's total now at 660. Unfortunately, there was one new COVID-19 related fatality, so the total number of deaths is 23. 330 cases are active, 27 patients are hospitalized, and 307 cases are resolved. On Monday, the Herkimer County government Facebook page reported 2 new positive cases of coronavirus, with their county's total now at 98. No patients are currently hospitalized. 3 people have passed away and 75 patients have fully recovered. The Otsego County Department of Health has not released an update on their number of COVID-19 cases since May 4th. On May 10th, the state lost 161 more people from coronavirus, and this is the first time the number of daily deaths had been under 200 in several weeks. The number of new infections, hospitalizations, and deaths continue to decrease each day. During Governor Cuomo's daily address this Monday, he said that we are finally on the other side of the mountain, and the New York pause is still scheduled to lift on Friday, May 15th. Cuomo's main focus during today's briefing was on the state's reopening. Each region must meet 7 metrics in order to reopen, and this includes 1, a 14-day decline in hospitalizations or under 15 new hospitalizations on a 3-day average, a 14-day decline in hospitalized deaths or under 5 deaths in a 3-day average, under 2 new hospitalizations per 100,000 residents on a 3-day rolling average. 30% of hospital beds must be available, 30% of ICU beds must be available, 30 per 1,000 residents tested monthly on a 7-day average of new tests per day. And the final one is 30 contact tracers per 100,000 residents, or enough to meet the current infection rate. Currently, the Mohawk Valley meets all 7 requirements and can proceed with reopening for phase 1. Cuomo explained what each phase of reopening includes. Phase 1 is construction, manufacturing, wholesale supply chain, retail, curbside pickup, agriculture, forestry, and fishing. Phase 2 will be professional services, finance and insurance, retail, administrative support, real estate, and rental leasing. Phase 3 will be restaurants, food services, hotels, and accommodations. And then the final phase, phase 4, is art, entertainment, recreation, and education. In addition to the businesses in phase 1, New York will also reopen certain low-risk businesses and recreational activities also on May 15th. This will include landscaping, gardening, low-risk activities such as tennis, because you're not having that direct contact with someone, and drive-in movies. Cuomo says that when businesses finally reopen, it's their responsibility to have safety precautions in place, including strict sanitation and cleaning standards, social distancing, wearing the necessary protective gear, continuous tracing, tracking, and reporting, and maintaining an overall healthy work environment. For more COVID-19 updates, you can tune into our stations WUTR and WFXV. The next daily briefing will be Tuesday, May 12th.